Bangsa ko mislame na kiole, obo chiku mai ninronro, mata taki ninronro chumai, ninronro na buno rabai chiku kina dada kan nangkangin suka menefesi, mami roteni tuls ngabulu wadada, abu bale rabai chiku mai ninronro, anong ni kuah. Kema maker sa kami dua ne mami belutu na angele, ina kampani suka kina lens department. Na pulau Cune, meroni kema mi boluta kina na liang kasado Cune kuah, nonra valengai Cune na tambangone, na mat sabi tu bikin na bekar wakan sacuku, na nguni salde rorong mami na boluta kina mendo na mami bolutu, kema bisa kaya sangat tu na mendo na mami bolutu, kema kira sacungan nanggele, sak lako cak na ipola ker kina tambang nanggele, pakai kina na FSC. Mereka main kuah sember sangai ni memiklas bena puno saya tu cikin, memikir sangai tu kena pamata tamai berto na raracu na tabanggel kena fisi kuah sangai.
Thank you. Can we have the representative from Lens?
Itu sanggup biar nasional photocopy ni pola pola kini wekem ni.
Ni lo cium benangon ko.
Bagam sak.
Ni lo cium benangon ko.
Kema mi cukup sangat lu cukup na community hall, pale kapas cukup sangat menin ronro. Kema lu kira.
Ni kilai nangon ko na nakana lebu ni palu tu na punu arab bijo kini orang nanti kani anak anggur di batang tea. Eseng ni tu nak na the answer is not in building the churches. Oken dasar na itum bukan nang kasi. Mendapat iya ken tu anon do palu tu. Odi na turang satu ni. Rani tu kan bikin tu na sesanga rendah kami melihat nanggele.
Sebenarnya.
Benar dimbulsa ke turang na Prime Minister kena baglis pamatin tu.
Can we have your name and designation please before you give answer?
My apologies. My name
can I
is.
Just repeat myself in English for the benefit of those that couldn't. He was asking whether we should. They are asking for land to be allocated to build a church, to answer the social ills of drugs and things like that we're having now. And I said to him, most of the drug centers, if you can call them that, are from villages and settlements that have great big churches built in them. So the answer is not in the church, but it's in the people. Anyway, we'll try and translate whatever he's going to say.
Thank you. Good evening, Honorable Prime Minister and the Cabinet Ministers. My name is Ura Rakaria, the Divisional Land Manager Western from the Ministry of Lands. In reference to the query that's raised by the gentleman, if the correspondence is there, we will do our due diligence in terms of the inspection and we'll raise the submission if there is validity and credibility to have the lease issued of the church. So we'll be liaising with the gentleman after this. Bina kavale bu turangan anu monitarwa, pamputan ni santo bakani wala ni sambit sa sumay. Kito sa din ko masaka kito na takaman kana pakan dindike, kito na libisi ko sa kani, sambar ni kito na gali takam na kina pay ngata lalay. To rayda si chuko na yabu ni kana sul na lisi na ni balilutu, siya dapat napakatuloy na ngay tomay. Nakasaka.
For your response, Minister Tusawa, we wanted to offer some comments on this topic.
Yeah, no, I just wanted to with mesu may nain ronro sama tata menro kay vital no kay na balisilis sama kay murian na kira-kira ko sa koda kita may abinak.